I got Happy Mail. Oh, this one's open. Luckily, we still have the cards inside. Wonder how that happens sometimes. Oh, look at the cute little hen there. We got a chicken, a chicken mermaid. And we got this portrait. Lovely, lovely. And let's see what else. Oh, let's just tear it. I can see there's nothing on this side. Oh, the tape. Tape is strong. The strength is with your tape. All right. Ooh, I love this one. Uniquely handmade. I like that little sticker too. Cute little bones and stuff. And here's some extras. Ooh, it's a page from a dictionary, a little dictionary. She probably uses that in the backgrounds of her cards. Oh, Spanish maybe? Okay, cool. Thank you for trading with me. Enjoy. All right, I definitely will. Let's find a home for these guys. All right. None of them are horizontal, so they go here. And I'm going to take this one out so it'll fit right there. This guy gets to go here. And this one gets to start a new page. All right. Not only did I get some Happy Mail, but I got this. Came from Australia. Jane Davenport. Very excited about this. I'm very excited. It's my layer cakes. And it's another gel plate. She makes one. I have one already of hers. And I accidentally ordered another one. Am I mad about that? No. I'm perfectly fine with that. Let's see. At least it's a secure package. I don't know how. Oh boy, packing peanuts. All right, we got an layer cakes and ooh, cute wrapping. Oops, I better be more careful. Try to keep all the peanuts in the box. Wow, this box is the same size. Oh. And of course, we love the bubble wrap. Oh, not bad. I only lost one. One fell on the floor. All right. So as I mentioned, I already had one. I haven't used it yet, though I'm nervous. It has a little gel plate here, just a little scale shape. Make little designs, or this 8x10, and it's thinner than my other one I was using the other day. And it's got a few little extras, so that'll be fun. And of course, bubble wrap. Good deal stuff. Okay, that'll be fun. Let's see. Make sure I got everything. All right. Okay, get it out of my way. All right, this is what I really ordered. Oh, look at this duct tape with scales. We love mermaid stuff, don't we? Ooh. Ooh. So exciting. Oh, look at that. Little chocolate. Carmelo koala. Yummy. All right. So I don't really work with watercolors. These are opaque watercolors, and everyone on her Facebook group was raving about them. So I had to see what the fuss was all about. Apparently they sell out pretty quickly, so when they went on for sale again last time, I just grabbed them. I was like, what the heck? I'll just go for it and see what it's all about. So I'll make another video with me trying to use these puppies after doing some research, of course. Gotta learn me some. They're very pretty. Very pretty. Oh, lovely. The lids will act as a little palette. A little brush. And a couple other brushes in here. Trash, get out of my way. I don't need you no more. So these brushes look nice. So 3 nice brushes, and look at all these colors. These bright ones. Oh yes, I love bright colors. And then, like, there's each pack has a couple trays of like multicolor. You know, that worries me, but I'm rolling with it. I'm spreading my wings a little bit here. That's so pretty. I just love the colors. Everyone just look at them. That looks like Neapolitan. So anyway, that was a pretty successful day. You may ask me, I'll tell you. I'll put these back so I don't lose track of them. This weekend I will be doing a couple videos, maybe trying these out if I get brave. And also I have some ATCs to make, some customs using my oceanic themed stamps. So I'll be using my octopus, a seahorse, and a whale. So I'll be making some cards, and I'll try to videotape me making them. So that videotape, record. I'm dating myself here, but isn't that what I do every week on Friday night? Date myself. Anyway, that's kind of an inside joke, but maybe you'll get to know me enough where you'll be in on it. Anyway, happy day. Break's over. Gotta go back to work, but I'll be dreaming of my art supplies.